Hey Charlie, let's go. It smells nice. Alright, I think I might have found my new favourite. Let's take a look at this menu. So, when we sit down, we get two different menus. So one of them says this, homestyle, and you've got stuff like all these different kind of things, like breakfast all day. We can come to breakfast for here as well. Mama's breakfast, pancake tacos. Oh man. So what have we got there? Mama's, is that Mama's mousse? Mama's something or other. Anyway, look, peach mimosas, all different kind of mimosas, beers, drinks. Right, now let me look at this. Look, French toast vanilla latte. How good does that look like? Whoa. Okay. Then you got kids menu just there. Cracker Barrel favourites. All sorts of nice different dishes. Really nice dishes. Sirloin steaks. Home cooked classics. Hamburger steak, chicken pot pie. I don't understand the difference. So then we got this menu as well, which is brunch anytime. Okay, so this is like a small bites. Blue Moon they do as well. Yeah.
Stop talking to your little thing.
My little thing is firmly tucked away. Thank you. Look at this. I think this might be my new favourite. Yeah, but look at all the different options.
Where's the drinks?
Wow! They do catering as well.
Well, they like puppets though, don't they? They got these sharp ones. Oh, that's gone straight to my head.
That's it.
Yeah.
What did you get? Spiked.
Oh no.
What did you get? Spiked strawberry lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade with vodka.
Yeah, spiked strawberry lemonade,
Is that
wasn't
what it's called?
it? Yeah.
I've never seen that on menu.
Yeah. And what did you get? Oh, you got
It's not actually.
you got a
no,
wine,
it's
didn't you?
not.
It's
No,
not?
it's not.
What did you
No,
get?
I got a strawberry mimosa.
Ah, strawberry.
I can't say it.
Try.
Mimosas.
Mama.
So I've had 2 sips of this and I'll feel drunk. But
And you've got Jack. Jack, you've got a big steak coming.
I've got a big steak.
Yeah, a big old steak coming.
Yep.
yeah, so
And what
Jack's
did-
having an adult. Jack's having an adult meal. He's got steak
And I'm having
with
the kids'
3
meal.
sides.
And
I'm having a child's. 2 sliders. 2
Yeah.
sliders, 2 burgers.
Yeah. And what are you having, Rob?
Macaroni cheese.
Macaroni cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice and simple. You might be able to have a bit of steak as well, and some sides.
I don't think so. I don't think Jack's in the mood to letting any steak go and stuff. and she's at the rest. Look over there.
Edit.
So I've decided to go with just a simple cheeseburger. There's too much to order that I wanted, but I did manage to get some sides snuck in there as well. So we'll see what that is. And what's Karen having? Chicken pot pie.
No, chicken with macaroni.
Chicken and
Macaroni cheese.
She's having macaroni as well. You both having macaroni.
No, I'm joking.
No,
She's
Rob's
having chicken pot
a
pie,
Pie.
You're having chicken
No,
pot pie.
I'm having a chicken hot pie.
Chicken pot pie.
Chicken hot pie, yes.
Yeah. So Rob's having chicken pot pie. Karen's having macaroni cheese and chicken, something like that.
Chicken with
Yeah.
cheese and mac. What's it called?
I don't know, mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
We've got their onions.
A quick look around the restaurant, quick. Behind me, you can see.
Have to go around the shop.
Yeah, we'll have to have a look at the shop as well.
Shop's quite good for Christmas.
Nice. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Like
We've been
comfort
putting this
Christmas.
in a little corner, so we've
Not
got a nice
trendy Christmas.
big round table, so that's nice. You sort of
lucky looking baby on the wall.
Scary one.
That is a scary ass looking baby actually. Let's have a look.
Yeah, it does look a bit scary, doesn't it?
Yeah. Comment down below if you think that's a scary baby. Karen?
Chicken tender with
Mac and cheese.
mac and
Chicken
cheese.
mac and cheese.
That's a pie.
Chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot pie.
Jack went with a sirloin.
Lovely, Jackson.
Cheeseburger. Okay, then we've got burger.
Thank you very much.
And then there's some more cheeseburgers.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
I think that's good, yeah. Yeah, we're all
Need
good.
extra ketchup?
I know that one has.
So also, they give you this nice warm bread with some jam and butter. What is that, butter? Blackberry, strawberry.
That's biscuits.
Nice.
They're like biscuit and gravy.
Yeah.